Welcome to the Hub of Knowledge Studies.
Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to do MCQ based on African continent, and this is part 3. We have already done 2 parts, right? So guys, we are going to start with the questions. This is question number 1. Consider the following statement about Lake Kariba. First, it is shared by Malawi and Kenya. No, this is wrong, because I have already told you in the videos that it is share boundary with Zambia and Zimbabwe. It is situated on the river Zambezi. It is right. So our answer would be B. Only 2 would be the correct option. See this map, guys. This is Lake Kariba and it lies on the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe. And see guys, it lies on Zambezi river. This is written over here, and this river is originating from here and going in this Indian Ocean, right? So it lies on this Zambezi river. We can see this question again. It is shared by Malawi and Kenya. Wrong, because it share boundary with Zambia and Zimbabwe and is situated on Zambezi river, right? Option 2 will be correct option. Question number 2. Consider the following statements about Lake Tanganyika. You know, it is a very famous lake. It is bounded by 4 nations. Yeah, it is very much right. You know guys that we have already done these videos about the lakes of Africa. And if you have not seen my videos, then I urge you to please go and watch those videos from my playlist, or I will provide you the link in my description box, and revise them continuously so that you are able to answer these questions, right? Second is Zambia, Zaire, Malawi, Tanzania, the nations surrounding Lake Tanganyika. No, you know, this option is wrong, because it share boundary with Burundi, Zaire, Zambia and Tanzania. Guys, you can see this map. This is Lake Tanganyika written over here, right? And see, it is touching boundary with 4 nations: Tanzania, Democratic Republic of Congo, इसको Zaire भी बोलते हैं, you know it very well, and this one is Zambia, and also this small country. See, you are seeing this small country, this is Burundi, right? So these are the 4 nations by which this Lake Tanganyika is surrounded. We can see this question again, right? It is bounded by 4 nations, right? Zambia, Zaire, no, because Burundi, Zaire, Zambia and Tanzania are the countries. So our option, answer would be 1. A would be the correct option. Third question, consider the following statement about Uganda. Tropic of Cancer passes through the country. No guys, Uganda is a country by which equator passes. Right, so this option would be wrong. It share boundary with South Sudan, Kenya, Tanzania, Rwanda and Zaire. Yeah, this option is right. See this map guys, this is map of Africa, and you can see the country, this is Uganda, right? This is Lake Victoria, a famous lake, you know very well, which also passes through equator. So you know that equator 0 degree passes like this. So Tropic of Cancer is not passing through this, because Tropic of Cancer lies below 0 degree, right? So Uganda is a country from where equator passes. And you can see that adjacent countries like Kenya, right, South Sudan, Democratic Republic of Congo, and this country Rwanda, and Tanzania also. So these are the 5 nations through which it touching it boundary. Right guys, so this option would be right and first option would be wrong. So our answer would be only 2. B would be the correct option. Question number 4. Arrange the following in descending order of their size. Lake Superior, Victoria, Caspian Sea. Guys, first of all, you should know the location of these lakes. Lake Superior lies on the border of USA and Canada. Lake Victoria lies in Africa, as you have seen in the last map, and this is Caspian Sea, which lies in Asia below Russia, right? So we have to arrange them in descending order. So first option would be Caspian Sea. It is larger of them all, and then that would be Lake Superior, and then third would be Lake Victoria. So the arrangement would be this 3, right, and then 1 and then 2. This would be the correct option. D would be the correct option. Now question number 5. Which of the following pairs of lakes are correctly matched? Lake Volta and Lake Assal. So guys, Lake Volta do not lies on the coast of Ivory Coast, but it lies in Ghana, right? And second is Lake Assal. Yeah, it lies in Djibouti. So our option would be only 2. B would be the correct option. See this map guys, this is Lake Assal and it lies in the country Djibouti. And guys, if you remember, this Djibouti country lies in Horn of Africa, right? And see this map, this is the country Ghana, and here lies this Lake Volta. So, and this is Ivory Coast, right? So this is not the right option in one in which it was given that Lake Volta lies in Ivory Coast. So Lake Volta lies in Ghana country. And one important fact about Ghana country, if you remember, we have already done in the video, is that Ghana is known as Gold Coast, because in the colonial times gold was exported from Africa to Europe from this Ghana country. That's why it is known as Gold Coast. Now question number 6, where does Tropic of Cancer meets prime meridian? It is a very important question which I have also made in the cover page. South Sudan, Uganda, Algeria and Ghana. So this country would be Algeria. See this map guys, you can see this is Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree north, and this is prime meridian, right, 0 degree, which passes through UK. You know it very well as we have read about it. So this is the point which lies in Algeria country, where these latitude and longitude met, right? So the option to this question would be third, Algeria. You can also see this cover page question guys, where does Tropic of Cancer meet prime meridian? So answer would be third, Algeria. Now question number 7, consider the following statement about Lake Victoria. It's a very famous lake in Africa. Blue Nile originate from Lake Victoria? No, I already told you in the video that White Nile originate from here, right? And equator passes through Lake Victoria. Yeah, it is very much right. So option would be only 2. See this map guys again, this is Lake Victoria, right? And this is equator, a minor part of it touching with Lake Victoria. This is Lake Victoria, right? Question number 8, consider about River Nile. Blue Nile originate from Ethiopian highlands and White Nile originate from Mount Kilimanjaro. It is wrong because we have already read that White Nile originate from Lake Victoria. White Nile and Blue Nile meet at Khartoum, South Sudan to make Nile. Very much right. So option would be B. As we are seeing that all the answers are having B only as the correct option. So see the map guys. See this map guys. This is Lake Victoria and this White Nile is originating from here, right? This point. And then this is Lake Tana if you remember. And from here Blue Nile is originating and they are meeting in the country Sudan country. And see they are meeting at this place. This is Khartoum, which is also the capital of this country Sudan. And then it is flowing northwards and this flows into this Mediterranean Sea. See this question again. Blue Nile originate from Ethiopian highlands and White Nile originate from Mount Kilimanjaro. It is wrong. White Nile and Blue Nile meet at Khartoum. It is right option. So our option would be only 2B. So guys, this was for today and I hope you have liked the video. And I also hope that you have also write them correctly. You can comment your score in the comment box so that I may know that you are doing well. And at last, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like it. And don't forget to comment on it and please share it with your friends also. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.